In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own color grading presets right inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get right into the video. Now, once you're inside of Adobe Premiere Pro, you want to begin by dragging some footage onto your sequence. Now, you just want to go through your normal process of color grading your footage. You could do this through LUTs, you could do this through curves, you could do this through levels. It doesn't really matter, just go through the process of color grading your footage. So for this example, I'm just going to do a little bit of curves. We'll go RGB curves. We'll increase the highlights. We'll decrease the shadows to add some contrast. We'll increase the midtones in the red. We'll increase the midtones in the green. We'll decrease the midtones in the blue. We'll decrease the shadows in the blue. We'll increase the highlights in the blue. We'll make this look really ugly. We'll go into levels. Drop levels onto your footage. We'll increase the black input level. We'll decrease the white input level. And let's just go down to the black output level in R, that is red, and we'll just pull this all the way up. So as you can see, this is looking really ugly. Of course, don't make an ugly color grading effect for your footage. You really want to take the time to craft your color grading and get a look that will look really awesome and really cinematic. But just for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to do this extreme example so you can see that this has been saved as a preset and copied onto new footage. Now, once you're happy with the look of your color grading, you want to select all of the plugins that you use to color grade your footage. So in my example, I've got RGB curves and levels. So I'm going to select RGB curves. I'll hold down Command and select levels. So both of those are now selected. From here, I'm going to double click or right click if you're on Windows and select Save Presets. And we can go ahead and rename this. So I'm going to rename this to Bad because that looks bad. We'll press OK on this. And then we'll go back into the Effects tab. We'll X this search box, so we'll get rid of the level search. Go into presets, and as you can see at the top of the preset, we have the bad color grading preset. So all you have to do to get that onto your footage is just to drag and drop that like any other effect. And there you go. That color grading preset has been applied to that new footage. Now that is the process that you want to follow if you want to create your own color grading presets right inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. So if you feel like this video helped you at all, or if you learned something, then please do consider subscribing. And if you are subscribed, then I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.